In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom report types to create reports in Salesforce. This tutorial is geared towards helping you harness the full potential of Salesforce by tailoring your report types to better suit your organizational needs. First off, you'll want to navigate to your Salesforce homepage. This is where it all starts. We'll provide a brief introduction to what you can expect in this tutorial, aiming to strengthen your understanding of Salesforce's reporting capabilities. Now let's move on to the quick settings. In the top right corner of your screen, you'll find the Settings icon. Clicking on it will give you a drop-down where you'll need to select Open Advanced Setup. This action takes you to the main setup area, which serves as the hub for customizing different aspects of your Salesforce experience. Once you're in the Setup menu, find the search bar at the top and type in Report Types. This is a quick way to locate the area where you can manage report types. Click on Report Types in the results. This section is dedicated to managing all aspects of reports within Salesforce, offering comprehensive options to tailor them to your liking. With the Report Types area open, you'll want to click on New Custom Report Type. This is where you begin creating your bespoke report structures. Here, you will need to select a primary object. A primary object is essentially the main focus of your report. It's important to choose carefully because it determines the kind of data that will populate your reports. As you proceed, you'll need to provide a label for your new report type. The label helps you easily identify and reference the report type later on. Following that, input a name for your report type, which should be distinct and clearly convey its purpose or the data it encapsulates. A concise description is also recommended to give further context to users about what this report type entails. Next, decide on a store category for your report type. This categorization assists in organizing your report types, making retrieval and management a breeze. It's a foundational step that optimizes how your report types are stored and accessed. Focus your attention on the deployment status next. Deployment status dictates whether your newly created report type is active and can be used to generate reports immediately, or if it's in a draft stage. This is crucial for managing report visibility effectively within your organization. When you're satisfied with your setup, click Next. This action will pave the way for potentially linking additional objects to your report type, enriching the data it can manage. Consider the A to B relationship configuration here. It defines how objects relate within your reports, expanding the depth of data insights. Lastly, ensure you click Save to solidify all the changes and settings you've made. This final step secures your custom report type within Salesforce, making it available for use. With these steps, you're now set to create comprehensive, custom reports tailored to your organization's unique needs within Salesforce.